Hi guys, so we're now here at Taman Ujung. Just to let you guys know, the ticket is 75k per person. So for the two of us, my husband and I, we paid for 150k. And then I'll give you a quick walk around. So I'll just flip the camera over. So this is the entrance. I believe this is also a place where a lot of people go for their pre-wedding photos. As you notice, it is really the entrance, just the main entrance. So far, it would really look aesthetic and romantic. What this looks like for me is a very huge garden. So I think with the proper lighting, with the proper, theme, this would really, really work. That looks like a meringue fruit. So it is called a water palace as well. What we have learned from the locals is that each place here in Bali, before there are water palaces, wherein when there was a time wherein each part of Bali has their kingdoms, they're created for the royal families to have their meetings, I think their events, so on and so forth. Okay, but primarily, these were built for those functions. Mindful of the noise, someone is actually cutting grass that we're about to pass. So I think one of the iconic spots would really be that bridge over there. So what we'll try to do is try to give you a quick view. There's also a very huge pond over there. There's a pavilion as well over there. Other than that bridge, the one on top from this view, it's kind of like a structure, but I think it's not the same as what I see on Google anymore. I think it might be because of typhoons that recently passed, but that is one of the most iconic spots, the one on top. So it is also part of here in Taman Ujung. at this spectacular view. And as you can see, my husband is there relaxing from all of the climbing. I'll try to show you the yacht. I hope it can be zoomed in. Excuse me for that. So from this point, I wish I'll be able to show you that there is actually yachts over there. And a couple of boats too. Perhaps you weren't able to see because they're way too small, but from here where I'm standing, they're very vivid. So again, just to give you a view. So again guys, just to wrap this up here at Taman Ujung, look at that very nice view. It's very serene. I think we're the only tourists here as of the moment. So we'll enjoy our time, take a lot of snaps here, specifically at this point because it has a very nice view of the rest of the garden. And then I think the bridge over there downstairs. So bye guys, see you in the next vlog.